Okay, we are here in the Eastern Cape in Upper Blinkwater, a small little community, as you can see, widespread with around about 70 households, which now gets powered by renewable energy, a whole grid in a small space, and it runs perfectly actually. So yeah, it makes you proud, I would say.
The project began with an engineering company owned by young black South Africans who are involved in the engineering and execution of renewable energy projects. So what they wanted from Siemens was a controller that can help them to be able to control all the different energy sources.
We came across many providers of controllers, programmable logic controllers. But when we came across the Siemens microgrid controller, we were left without any shadow of doubt that this was the intelligent guy that we needed.
Yeah, technology like Siemens plays a very important role. First of all, here, it plays as the brain of this mini-grid. The controllers, everything that is here, they are all controlled by the software from Siemens. So they playing the very important role, the technology that is used here.
So one of the main parts was as well from the German government was a full skills transfer, which was as well done with people from the municipality.
I never knew anything about the solar until I was involved in this project and the technology that is used here. So I gained a lot.
One gets quite vivid images of the community that we stepped into 4 years ago. The vivid image that is quite striking in my head right now is that of entering a community that is dead silent with just a lot of smoke.
I came here, there was no electricity here. People were used to making fire here. Even if they cook, or they want to have some tea or coffee, whatever, wash with hot water, they have to go to the bush, get some wood and make fire. There was no life here before because there was no electricity, there was no work.
And fast forward 4 years later, you enter a community that is nothing like what we saw the first time. You enter a community that has got fresh air because they are no longer using charcoal to cook. They are using electricity to cook.
Many people are asking us, but we're telling them how does it work and how is our lives now. We are staying in a better life now. Everything is fine.
Since we have the electricity that we're using now, our lives has changed a lot, a lot. Like, I even do my own business now.
It has been amazing to see the economic activity that has spiraled out of just but the provision of electricity, but also the impact of seeing young people able to access information on their phones and their tablets and laptops because they all of a sudden can charge that phone from home, opens up a new world of opportunity.
I feel good because someone in this community can also grow up and work for a company like Siemens because of the opportunity that they've been given to be able to have a light bulb, to study.
It brings all forms of emotion to the heart, but it also brings a great sense of pride and hunger to do it more. Now more than ever, we need to duplicate what was done there because that is just but a community. We can do more. The technology is there. Providing electricity to those that didn't have electricity previously spans far beyond just lighting up a light bulb.
I wish the same for other places that doesn't have electricity like this place was.
Let's respond to energy poverty, and nobody can do it alone. We need each other. And Siemens has got the potential to bring these stakeholders together, to train us in achieving this. And we are more than hungry and happy and excited to be those partners. We want to do the work. We're ready with all of our hands combined.